Today we're talking about the liver. The liver is pretty amazing actually. It's the only organ in the body that can regenerate new cells to replace damaged ones. Isn't that kind of awesome? The liver is like your body's detox house. It's the first step after blood leaves your intestines. Blood travels through the liver for a few different functions actually. First, there are the hepatitis cells that package up specific nutrients and then send them out to the rest of the body where they are needed. The hepatitis cells also remove toxins from the blood and excrete them from your body. Then there are other cells in the liver called macrophages, and these remove stuff from our blood as well before it goes out into the rest of the body. The macrophages remove dead cells and cell debris and other invaders that could be harmful to other parts of our body. So the liver is crucial for clean blood. Because of this, we have to make sure to keep our liver as clean and healthy as possible. And how do we do that? $500 detox plans? Drinking only juice for 5 days? No. As you can see, the liver itself is a detoxifier. The liver knows how to get rid of toxins already. These expensive detoxes have very limited, if any, scientific proof that they're actually doing anything beneficial for your liver. Someone might tell you that they feel mental clarity or less pain in their joints or muscles or something, but of course, if you give your body way more health foods, nutrients, and minerals than it's used to getting, you're going to feel better. That's why all of us nutrition coaches, nutritionists, dietitians, we all preach whole foods and limited processed foods because it's better for you. But that doesn't mean that these special detoxes are doing anything specific for your liver. There are ways you can help keep your liver healthy though and prevent damage that don't involve spending hundreds of dollars on detox packages. The first is actually just avoiding drinking alcohol. Drinking excessive amounts of alcohol can cause permanent damage to your liver that it cannot recover from. Drinking too much alcohol can cause inflammation in your liver that can cause alcoholic hepatitis. Over time, heavy drinking can lead to permanent scarring of the liver called cirrhosis, which can lead to liver failure and liver cancer. Again, the liver is able to regenerate and repair damage, but not to this severity. So these damages are permanent and require serious medical treatment. Other ways to keep your liver healthy include the $2 million health recommendations from all doctors: exercise and diet. That's right, yet again, regular exercise is the recommendation for healthy liver function. Why? Well, exercise can help protect your liver from potential damage. When you exercise, you're burning calories, which is reducing your risk of developing diseases like type 2 diabetes, obesity, hypertension, and high blood fat. And these diseases can lead to liver inflammation and scarring that can ultimately lead to cirrhosis. And like I just mentioned, cirrhosis leads to liver failure and liver cancer. And of course, the other answer is healthy eating. Isn't healthy eating always the answer to everything? I know it feels like a cop-out, but it's true. Fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, limited processed foods, increase the healthy fats and decrease the dangerous fats. Those that clog your arteries, that's what it comes down to. Everything you eat and drink is absorbed into your blood and enters your liver. So keep that in mind when you consider going through the drive-thru at McDonald's this week. No, I'm just kidding, but other than the obvious benefits of whole, nutrient-rich foods and balanced diets, it also keeps your liver functioning properly and prevents liver failure and liver cancer. Now, there are a few other less obvious foods that are extremely good for your liver for various reasons. One of these is actually coffee. Research has shown that coffee prevents buildup of fat and collagen, two of the main markers of cirrhosis, or liver disease. Coffee also decreases inflammation in the liver to help prevent the development of cirrhosis. Another good group of foods that are great for liver health are fruits high in antioxidants like grapefruit, blueberries, and cranberries. The antioxidants in these fruits protect the liver from developing lesions and fibrosis and other scar tissues that can cause permanent liver damage. Finally, the last group are beetroot juice, and grapes. They all contain nutrients that reduce liver inflammation to prevent the development of liver disease. Adding these to your diet, in addition to continuing to eat balanced meals with whole foods and at least 3 servings of vegetables a day, will keep your liver functioning as it should and prevent any potential development of liver damage. So skip the detoxes and support your liver as it does its job to clean your blood and keep you healthy. If you have any questions or concerns about your liver function, please consult with your doctor, but that is all I have for you about the liver today. I hope you found it helpful. Comment below and let me know what you think. Be well, everyone, and I will see you next time.